I just briefly wanted to show the effect of the check dams. Even those primitive ones are actually working, and we can see yesterday we had the rain, and we can see that they slow down the water. Not much, but just a little bit, enough to leave that humidity before the dam, and we can actually see that there's so many sprouting plants, more than on the left side. And here even there's the mud has been actually settled here on this one. And even more striking situation we can see here. We see that most of the water was coming through this place, and so we need to add more blocking here, and maybe farther down we need to maybe heighten these dams. This one is practically filled with mud, and here we can see plenty of new plants just sprouting where the water was soaking in. So we'll be continuing this work, because we need to slow down this whole thing, this area, considerably. And so here will be check dams mostly, but farther up most likely will be digging the demi-lunes, which are the basically holes in the ground that collect water, and we'll build them plenty. I think we'll do some experiments first. So here we can see there's less water coming from this area, but still we can see the streaks on the ground. And if I look, yes, we'll start building them here, somewhere here already, and see how they fill up. I just wanted to show one of them. I don't think it's natural hole, but it's there at the road. And here we can see actually that the ground is less inclined here in this spot, and the water is not rushing so much. And here we see that one of such holes that still keeps water. So the idea is to make such semicircular holes and hold that water, so this place becomes more green in the future. It's already green, but most of that water was just removed very quickly. So we can use this area as a test bed for our new technology. Now we can cut here a number of these semi-circles to catch that water.